Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. Now we will tell you news about Cardano cryptocurrency. The accumulation phase for Cardano continues, should ADA holders get ready for bull run. The price of ADA followed a steady downtrend since August 2021, regardless of the recent upgrades to the network. In fact, post-20 February, the price of the token fell below the $1 mark and recorded a 4.92% decrease over the previous 7 days. At press time, the price of ADA was 88 cents, a 24-hour drop of 3.47%. But the important question here is, did it really matter to the community? Don't look up, the community continued to support the platform despite the noise around its slow development. More people bought coins with balances on addresses reaching 12.4 billion ADA after 3 months of accumulation in 2022. The balance held by addresses with short and mid-term holders, 1 meter 10 meters, grew exponentially in 2022. It hiked from 8.09 billion to 12.19 billion ADA, marking a 9.73% surge. Interestingly, on 1 March it reached a new ADA of 12.47 billion ADA held by the addresses. This represented the largest single-day spike in Cardano whale accumulation in months. Needless to say, these bullish statistics were backed by solid developments. On 3 March, Cardano launched on its mainnet a new upgrade of its Daedalus wallet, with several user interface (UI) improvements. The Cardano team posted the release notes on its website to explain in great detail the improvements and new features. This development incorporated enhancements in terms of synchronization times and memory usage reduction. It provided the user with more information about what the node is doing under the hood, particularly its startup. So next news. Cardano whales hoard during plunge. What could save ADA from further losses? ADA's price seems to be following the general sentiment in the market, as larger cryptocurrencies are trending to the downside over macro factors and general uncertainty. The Ukrainian-Russia conflict and a potential shift in the US Federal Reserve (Fed) monetary conflict seem to be operating as the core causes of unrest in market participants. However, Cardano seems to be suffering more losses than other cryptocurrencies in the top 10 by market cap. In the short term, these losses could deepen beyond 85 cents. Data from Material Indicators (MI) shows major resistance for the bulls at around 89 cents, which could keep the price suppressed at its current levels, at least for now. There are around $2 million in asks orders at 89 cents, as seen below. If bulls manage to break above this resistance, the $1 mark stands as the next major resistance, with fewer asks orders stacked at those levels. Only $1 million in asks orders sit at that price point. On the downside, bulls are facing more troubles as liquidity around 85 cents seems to be getting thinner, which could suggest further losses in the short term, as Cardano sustainable rally. But in the meantime, the majority of cryptocurrencies appear to be struggling to shrug off weeks of lackluster performance. Meanwhile, a fintech panel at Finders expects ADA to be valued at over $2.79 by the end of the year. The next news, Russia banks raise key rates by 20% in desperate measure to save ruble. Russian banks have raised key rates to 20% in a bid to save the ruble as major countries cut off support to Moscow amid its invasion of Ukraine. The Russian central bank raised its key interest rate to 20% from 9.5% on Monday in an emergency move. Authorities told export-focused companies to sell foreign currency as the ruble tumbled to record lows. The ruble opened 40% lower against US dollars on Monday. Russia's state-owned Sberbank is failing or likely to fail, the European Central Bank said in a prepared statement. Russia has also ordered companies to sell 80% of their foreign currency revenues, the central bank and the finance ministry said. The key rate is the interest rate at which banks can borrow when they fall short of their required reserves. Russia's And now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February minus 19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a loss situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the TechNews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed minus 19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, the price of ADA has changed by minus 28.81%. It is limited to a maximum of 33,626,462,852 coins. Cardano price prediction for 2022 ADAs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Cardano, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $1.40. ADA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $1.23, a minimum price of $1.19, and a maximum price of $1.40. ADA prediction 2023 for a long-term forecast of the Cardano price. Basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average ADA price will rise to around $1.79 by 2023 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of $2.04 with a minimum price level $1.74.